Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Kicking Way Through Life with me, Chef Hollywood. And today's chef tip or trick is to wash or not wash your chicken. And I just wanted to go over this because don't come for me, first of all. Leave me like because I wanted to tell you the reality of it. And I know this is a big thing in both in a lot of different cultures. It's culturally big. It's also something in the Black community, Caribbean community. And it's a question that I get sometimes. And sometimes I'm afraid to answer it because I know I'm going to get attacked. But let me just say it in the best possible way. Here's the thing. As far as using lemons or limes and also using vinegars to wash your chicken, if it's about the culture, then keep doing it. And it can actually do a little bit of flavoring for you, especially using some vinegar can actually tenderize sometimes, just like change the texture of the chicken. That's completely fine. What I don't want you to do is think that either one of these are actually cleaning your chicken. So when you think about food safety, USPH, any other food safety entities, when you're in an actual kitchen, you do not want to wash your chicken. So you probably already heard this before, but you probably ignored it if you are one of the people that are rolling your eyes at me right now. But the reason why we tell you is because when you take your chicken, I have some party wings here. If I were to wash this in my bowl or in the sink, and when I'm adding the water on there, anything that splashes, if there is any bacteria now on that chicken, it can now go everywhere. So you are actually increasing the chance that you will get sick or that any bacteria that could possibly be there will be everywhere else around your kitchen. So ultimately, what you should do is buy your chicken from a reputable source. Make sure you buy your chicken from somewhere that you trust. That's first and foremost. That's all your proteins. Never buy anything that you don't trust from anywhere you don't trust. But when you get your chicken, you should actually pat it dry and then season it how you want and then cook it, because the only way to destroy the bacteria is to cook it to temperature. Now, if you heard me correctly, I didn't condemn anybody. Continue to wash your chicken, continue doing the limes and lemons, continue doing the vinegar, but also be safe. If you are washing your chicken in your sink at home, please make sure that you go behind afterwards and Clorox it out. And don't forget, don't save it for later, because any of that bacteria that has splashed anywhere else can now be on your surfaces. So go right behind and wash it out. If you're washing in a bowl, also use a bowl that is safe for you to add bleach inside so you can actually bleach it and wash it out afterwards as well. So just want to say across the board, the do's and don'ts is I just want you to be safe. Whatever you're doing, either of the things you're doing, just make sure that you're safe and that you're not doing anything that could possibly get you sick at home, because we don't want you to be sick. So hopefully that answers the question, and hopefully I don't get eaten up in the comments, and I hope that you have a great day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notify button so that you get all notifications from all of the items that I'm going to be dropping, and hopefully gems that you like that I'll be dropping throughout every single week. So see you next time. Wing time.
Thank you for watching today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it and maybe even learned something. You know what to do next. Please hit those like, share, and subscribe buttons below and have a great day.